if I talk about the, changing environment of,
consumer goods industry.
So it's definitely going to be the first. People are looking for experience.
So you're talking about the trends that are going on into the consumer goods industry.
Definitely.
So people want more experience than just the product.
Yeah, exactly. They want, experience. So like if I'm going to buy a t-shirt, then I'm looking for a particular brand itself only. Like, I want it from, Armani itself only, or maybe, Tommy itself only. I want it from there itself only. So it's getting a little bit, people want that experience.
So that's not the experience. That's a brand, right?
That's brand. But what they are feeling with that brand itself, and like, I'm buying that. So it's an experience for them.
So the buying experience should be good. It's not just about the brand. But if they're buying it from the brand, the experience, the overall experience of that product placement, that product's display, that product's everything, right? Where the products are placed, whether the right combination of clothes are placed at the right position or not, which clothes are there which are highly popular, and looking that, like, all right, like let's say there are 10 articles that they've manufactured, and out of those 10 articles there are 2 articles after looking at which people arrive at that particular desk or that particular section, right? If that's displayed onto the section, if that is placed as a display on that particular section. So this is something that that will be able to track, instead of letting the field reps, or instead of letting those sales reps decide which product to place as a placement on that display. It's going to be you who's going to define it in a more strategical way and in a more data-driven way, which is going to improve the overall experience of the user or of the consumer.
Definitely. Then it's data-driven personalizations. Basically, everybody wants it's personalized. So if you're not identifying the right products that needs to be, placed into the store itself only, into the right segment, so they lack over. Like if the brands are not doing that, there is a lack over there, and people don't want that. They want much more personalized. Like if the trend is saying that people are looking for crew necks t-shirts, then you should be placing that. That is a personalization for them itself only. If you're not, cashing in on that, that's something that you are losing out on. That is something that they are looking for. Then we have omni-channel strategies. So basically, they want the same experience, either offline, either online. If there is a 25% discount going on online, it should be there offline as well. Because a lot of people go to stores to, kind of check.
After looking at the online application.
Yeah, they want to, see the fabric. They want to, experience it. So all of that. So the experience should be the same across both offline and online channels. So that is omni-channel strategy needs to be implemented in such a way that, they are getting the right experience and it's consistent across both offline and online stores. Then we have impact of emerging technologies.
Like AI,
definitely AI. Being AI, able to utilize, the capabilities of, doing certain insights, doing certain analytics, which allows, to identify, okay, we should be placing our, products into this particular segment. We should be, having this particular items.
The right recommendations, right?
Yeah. And AI is also helping, identify what particular product we need to, sell more by identifying the trends from the industry itself only. If people are getting health conscious, they are looking for, more products from, let's say, which are having less sugar and all of that, the AI can help do that. So consumer goods industry is definitely benefiting off that, and it's definitely utilizing that for, running their, systems, running their, I would say, product development in itself only.
Got it. So this was about the trends in the consumer goods industry.